through this extension, and I'll hold it very tight. Look at the way I'm holding it tight. Then you see this finger I'm raising. I'm going to pass that finger in between the extension such that one is at the top and the other is at the bottom, just like you can see in the video. Then you are going to switch to the second hand and pass the hair of the person through under it again, and that is how you can start your braids. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to start a braids for beginners. If you are finding it difficult to start your braids, I'll be sharing how to make it tight for you. So this is an easy beginner friendly tutorial. Stay tuned to the end. So you see the way I'm holding the extension right now. I'm going to pass the hair that I've parted through this extension, and I'll hold it very tight. Look at the way I'm holding it tight. Then you see this finger I'm raising. I'm going to pass that finger in between the extension such that one is at the top and the other is at the bottom. You can see my hand is at the middle. So the part where I'm holding the natural hair of the person, I'm going to pass that one on that too. And that is it, guys. I've started braiding my 1-1 or knotless braid. Okay, so now you know the braids, the extension is in two hands, then one is the person's hair. So I'm going to cut from one of those extensions in such a way that the one I'm cutting from is bigger than the one I'm cutting out of it. I'll cut like that from the two extensions I'm holding to join the one that is having just the hair, in such a way that you are using your hand to do the measurement and the three hands are the same, so your braid will not be bumpy, it will be smooth and all of that. So guys, we'll be repeating the same process, but I'm going to leave you guys to watch. You know, sometimes watching without talking, without hearing voices will make you to understand more. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch. So guys, if you have not liked this video and you feel like this video is helpful, it has made your braiding easier, go ahead and like my video. If you have any question to ask, please ask me in the comment section below. I personally prefer this method to the old method of crossing or starting, you know, the way we used to start without knotless braid. This method is easier for me, and it holds the hair together more easier. What I'm saying is that this method can serve as knotless braid because it's not, the root of the hair is not going to be lying down, just like the way we used to start before knotless braid came. This hair, this method is not going to be lying, it's not going to grip the root like that, how that one used to grip the root. So packing the hair will be very, very easy after making the hair. You know, that old method of braiding, those knots we used to make in the olden days, they were not easy to pack immediately after braiding, but this is easy to pack. Okay guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I believe you have subscribed, and I say welcome to the family. On this channel we do hair tutorials, and this is one of them you are seeing right now. Okay, so guys, do well to subscribe, like my video. Anything you don't understand about the video, please ask your question in the comment section and I'll be right there to answer you. Thank you guys for watching.